We would say, even though we issue lots of credit cards and everything, we'd say if I had one piece of advice to give to young people, that across the board, it would be just don't get in debt.
Hey there, folks. Let's dive into the wild world of Warren Buffett's wisdom in the American dream. You know, that dream where you're not just scrambling to make ends meet, but actually living the life you've always wanted. Warren Buffett spilled the beans on why some folks are stuck in the American nightmare, and No Money is here to break it down for you. So, get this, a whopping 58% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. Imagine strolling through the grocery store and 60% of the aisles are just folks trying to stretch their dollars to cover their basics. It's like a nationwide struggle. But here's the kicker. Being broke isn't just about how much money you make. There are folks rocking six-figure salaries and still paying the paycheck to paycheck game. Crazy, right? And Warren Buffett, the man himself, he didn't build his empire on an extravagant lifestyle. Nope, he's all about working smart, not just hard. Now, let's unravel the secrets. Warren Buffett's got 5 nuggets of wisdom that are keeping people from rolling in the green, and it all starts with something called zero balance. Imagine you've got $50 in your account. Seems like you got $50 to splurge, right? Wrong. Don't fall into the zero balance trap. Buffett's advice? If you can't afford it, don't buy it. Sounds simple, but folks often mess this up. Just because they've got $50 doesn't mean you should blow it all. Instead, stash some away for a rainy day. Trust me, Warren's been investing since the dinosaurs roamed the earth. Now, here's a tale to help you grasp the concept. Picture this. Your buddy gets a fat stimulus check, $250 to be exact. And what does this fashion-savvy friend do? Spends the entire thing on a pair of pants. Yes, pants! That's zero balance thinking at its finest. Don't be that person. To avoid this, follow the golden rule of 5. If you can't buy 5 of something with cash, you can't afford it. Keep it simple, just like Warren does. He's not trying to jump over 7-foot bars. He's looking for the 1-footers to step over. Now let's talk about payment traps. Ever seen someone rocking a brand new Mercedes and wondered, how on earth can they afford that? Warren's got the answer. Only when the tide goes out do you discover who's been swimming naked. Translation? People might look rich, but they're drowning in debt. So beware of those zero APR deals that lure you into monthly payments. It's a trap. You end up shelling out more than you can handle, and nobody wants to be broke forever, right? Once you dodge those payment traps and zero balance thinking, it's time to enter the magical realm of compounding. What's that, you ask? Well, it's the secret sauce to growing your money exponentially. But first, you gotta know your assets from your liabilities. Assets? They're the money makers, like stocks or real estate. Liabilities? They're the money drainers, like that flashy car or the latest iPhone. So, here's the deal. Instead of blowing cash on things that might make you look rich, focus on buying assets. Warren Buffett, the master of this game, didn't get rich by just buying flashy stuff. No fancy suits with visible brands, no extravagant meals, and he's been living in the same house he bought ages ago. Learn from the best, my friends. Now, let's tackle the flashy lifestyle. Social media paints this glamorous picture of people living their best lives, but here's the truth. Many are drowning in debt just to show off on Instagram. Warren's advice? Skip the flashy stuff. Focus on what really matters and watch your wealth grow. And finally, we come to staying ahead. Sure, businesses want your money, but guess what? You have a choice. Develop a filter, buy things you need, not just what you want in the heat of the moment. It's time to step up and be a producer, not just a consumer. Start thinking about ways to increase your income. Work those extra hours, chase that promotion, or dive into a side hustle. Be a money-making machine just like those businesses you've been buying from. Get that cash flow going, invest wisely, and let your money do the heavy lifting. In the wise words of Warren Buffett, it's all about preparation. Predicting rain won't cut it. Build those arcs. Break free from the American nightmare and let's turn that dream into a reality. Warren's done it, and so can you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to No Money. Cheers to a wealthier, wiser you.